All right, this is going to be video 5 of the Google Classroom series, and it's using other tools with Google Classroom. Now, you as the teacher and what you teach and how you teach it and things like that will really vary as to what tools you use. The good thing about Google Classroom is there's a ton of tools that implement with it. One of the tools that the district has purchased for us, and I mentioned it before, was Kami, and we can't do the Create Kami assignment option right now because the paid version isn't available yet. But I'm going to open up a document in Kami here to show you how it works. It's basically a PDF annotator. You can just assign a PDF and make a copy for each student in your class. And once you do that, the student has their own copy, and they can do what they wish to it. It looks like I'm got a little bit of a slowness here. So, all right, finally loaded here. Had a little bit of internet slow, and so again, this is just a standard PDF. It's a worksheet that you may have had in your classroom for years that you've passed out, ran off copies and stuff like that. I've made some marks and things on the paper. Don't worry about that. But if the student wants to write in their answer, they can write it in, and if they want to, if it's an open response question, they can come and type in their answer here. And then if they want to use a circle to circle a multiple choice, they can do that as well. So it doesn't matter what they do. And then they can save it, and that saves to their Google Drive and also on your Google Classroom. So that's a really good tool that works with Google Classroom, and it's going to work even better once we get going. Screencastify is another tool. It's a tool I'm actually using right now to make this video. But also, you as a teacher, you're going to probably be making Screencastify videos to model with your students and have lessons with your students. So I can show you real quick how to add those. And most likely the video that you would upload as a teacher is going to be under assignment. So I'm going to click that. And if I click on add, the good thing about Screencastify is it uploads all videos that you create into your Google Drive automatically. So if I click on my Google Drive, I have to find my Screencastify folder. Now, I've got a lot of folders here, so I'm just going to find the Screencastify one. And there it is. And I'm going to open it up. Now, you're going to probably see some funky looking icons in here. And those funky looking icons are just videos that aren't what they call processed yet, so you can't really see like what the video's about. But once they're processed, I just recently uploaded them when I was making these videos for our page here. But once they're finished processing, you'll see them. But anyway, let's just say that we want that video to be on it. You can just double click that, and students can just view the file. That is a Screencastify video. Now, I'm a language arts teacher and a social studies teacher. One tool that I use is called Readworks. I'm sure a lot of you guys out there have probably heard of Readworks. It's been around for a while. But if I log in, I don't have it on this page. But if I log into to Readworks, it really does implement quite well with Google Classroom. All right, sorry about that, guys. I had to log in on this computer. It's a new computer, so I hadn't had a chance to log in. But this is Readworks, and the thing I love about it is I can find any article on here. And let's say I'm doing a unit on narrative fiction, or just looking at how characters interact with each other, comparing characters, whatever. If I like my fourth grade to read What's for Breakfast, the good thing about Readworks, audio is already there.
What's for breakfast?
Sounds a little robotic, but it works. If I click on assign, though, the cool thing about it is I can assign the audio. I got comprehension questions. I can do the vocabulary if I choose to, and then here I can choose which class I want to get it. Now, I'm going to give this to my fourth grade class. I can change the due dates down here. If I click on Authenticate with Google, a new window is going to pop up, and it'll just basically, authenticate with you. And then after it does that, you're good to go. You click Assign, and it puts it on that classroom for you. And your work is finished.